We're always upping our game and striving to be the best we can. We can't think of any reasons not to buy skirting boards direct from us. With that, we're going to go into a bit more detail as to why you should choose us. We relaunched and improved our website. We admit our website used to be a little outdated, so we decided to give it a little TLC. In fact, a lot of TLC. We completely redesigned the website, making it easier for you to find our products. We completely updated all our imagery to give a true reflection of the designs we offer. We also added in room shots to help you see how they look once they're installed. We now have a customer area to where you can log in, track your orders, reorder again, ask us questions, and more. We have added even more designs to our extensive range. That's right, along with our new website, we also have brand new designs exclusive to us. We've gone from just over 70 profiles to 100, around 40% more. This means you're more likely to find a design to fall in love with and choose us to buy from. As well as adding all these new designs, we have continued to offer our highly praised Bespoke service. Rest assured, if you can't find a design for you, we can make a custom one. We also create designs to match existing ones if the need arises. Our deliveries are getting quicker. We used to only offer standard delivery, which was estimated at 5 to 7 working days. It was also an added cost unless you ordered over £500 worth of materials. Now we offer standard delivery at absolutely no cost at all, and it's quicker too at just 4 working days. As well as this, we also offer a quicker delivery option for those of you who are on a tight deadline. You can also get the order super fast in 1 working day if you order unprimed on a working day before 12 PM. We improved our samples packaging and made them free. If you're unsure about a certain design, you can now order a sample and it will cost you absolutely nothing. Not only that, but you can have up to 5 samples free. To make sure the samples arrive safely, we've also improved our packaging too. All of our MDF products come with a lifetime guarantee as standard. That's how confident we are in our new and improved MDF materials. We know they're going to last, so we offer a lifetime guarantee on all MDF products we sell. How's that for an improved service? We're active on social media. Almost everyone is on social media in this day and age. That's why we are too. If you need a quick answer, you can be sure to reach us on Facebook or Twitter quickly. Also, if you want to see our videos, please go onto YouTube and watch what we have to offer. And we'll keep on improving. As we improve further as a business, we'll update this page. We're always trying to improve upon our current services and products so that you can be confident in buying skirting boards direct from us, here only at Skirting World. And that concludes our video. Hopefully you found it insightful and useful, and we will see you in our next video.